Alright, morning, my beautiful people. I don't know the boy grim out there, you know? Yeah, show me ugly face one next time on a new video. Yeah, peeps, so you mean you out there? Yeah, see what a nice little view there around behind me there. Look down in the town there. I wonder if you know down at that little part there. Who can tell me which part that? Oh, I don't be that, my friend. Alright, so yeah, welcome back to another channel, guys, of my channel, which is Grim Boss Construction TV. Don't know, every time it's construction, every day. Hard work, no play. I mean, Chuman, you know, a gunman. Yeah, people, so today a big day. Yeah, one cast off a place here now. Yeah, pour some concrete on it. I mean, and then I see. So we there actually I wait for the pump truck now for forward in. Yeah, I want to show you how the thing come down. Show you how we pump out concrete out the truck. The style. Yeah, so yeah guys, that's what we'll be doing for today. Yeah, go cast off a place, yeah. Yeah man, look funny. Yeah, yeah. I think we have a video of this also showing you guys how we actually steal up a decking. Yeah, and a few things going on same way. So just stay tuned, man. Yeah man. Remember to like up your thing them, share up your thing them, you know. Yeah man, drop to comment and tell you what thing them are going, tell me if you want to see more. How it is, if it is detailing, if you're learning from it, if you know, and such. Yeah, most of all, want to support, so remember, just hit the subscribe button if you know, yeah, and turn on the button notification bell. Alright, then, come like the part, the wall me still, yeah, peeps, so watch you know, yeah, wait for the pump truck, you know, so, I'll make you know what I go on, you know? So just stay tuned, you know, yeah, man, we're out here, you know, yeah. Ready up, ready up, ready up, ready up. Yeah. For them time you know. Yeah man. I get this thing covered. Yeah, nice look. Yesterday we have a look at weather. But man we can't see and get look at weather again, cause you know always nice after your cast they can get a decent shower rain. If even not much, but at least yeah, it is good. So I want to wet it myself. Yeah. So stay tuned guys. In a few we'll be seeing we doing our thing, you know. Yeah man, someone no know a go man outside. Alright people, pump truck is finally here. Yeah, so it's gonna come and then position, and then we have to wait probably the next 30 minutes or so for the concrete trucks to arrive. Yeah, so go actually look on it, you know, park up and you know, position yourself. I mean big truck out there. Big truck out there, so park up and blood clot out. fucking hell. Yeah. Line up the pump up here now. Ready out here now. Okay, I'm gonna blood tide. Yo, you know Chubby Park or something done? Oh, that's stunting. Oh. Huh? Uh. Yeah. What, fear putting them? Fear you them? Oh, oh. Oh, boom, out there now. Thing I go up in a ear for that. See that paper? We'll never see this before and see it there now. Oh, you mean?
longer than a picture.
Hmm?
More like 50 rather.
Yeah, you like the funny man, and we go under the see we see it good. Alright, if you actually like the funny now, go to see it good, but I'm going under the see we see it. Yeah, like this I can go along 100 foot up in a year. So, hold on. So, what? I must say, I left out there, you turn on. No, I say, I'm here, but I must say, I left out there if come on, hey, water, I talk. When I left me here and look water come through line. Yo, this one, like that one taller than the first one, you know. You know? Yeah, that one taller than the first one. Tall, you freak, bro. Yeah, look at this. Burj Khalifa. What's that they call it? Alright, I'm spin him around here now. To one over the snake, I need to come down in a car. And it can stretch out more. That shit. And a long like a skyscraper. Okay, instant stage right now. Wow. Oh, the funny line wasn't ready. Alright. Pump truck. Concrete truck out and now ready for you. One thing still nosing. And the priest will go over, so I'm done, but I must go over there.
Any plans?
Any problem I have it. Here, see it. Yeah, concrete time now. So paper. Now next few. Sorry, I could have video it. I'm gonna swing it at throat. Yeah. Hold on, I didn't get the shovel done. Alright. Yeah. See it there. Ah, phone, but she dead. Well, sit down. Oh, should be tough. Oh. Yeah, man, can go hold it. Alright. board sit down. Concrete on the board. Yeah, just a creep off a little extra bit there now. How that up top, boss? What you mean?
Outside the building.
You know, here no. Watch you now. Look good no man. See how they're look baby down. Yeah man. Be a thing. Wow. Be a thing. Nah, see it. Yeah. Out there now. Yeah man. So, now see how you look now. Yeah, I'm telling you. Alright guys, this is it, job complete. Yeah, so there you have it. May I actually video it while we were pouring it, but you know, I was busy setting the concrete as you can see. Wow, I don't know if you can see me, man them ugly. Yeah, so remember, stay tuned because we have many more of this coming. Yeah, only part thing we have a come down on the channel, man. Yeah, man. So guys, remember to like, share it, drop a comment for you know, please, and tell you how we are going with. Yeah, man, and most of all, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, you really need it. Yeah, man. So just, yeah, man, let me know how we are going. Yeah, peeps. So decking up and running out here. Everything baby down. Wait. Place a drain out.
I am.
Not sure.
You want to apply?
Which one?
Really?
Oh, this one.
What are you running?
Oh, this. Oh, yeah, because they imply them kind of soft one way, isn't it? Yeah, man, imply them kind of soft. Yeah, man, here people see the live action. Yeah. Yeah, man, everything well solid, man. No itching. Things down on the wall, eh? I we say na normal. Them not here now. Fully active.
Things are there.
Huh?
Things are there. These are your outside.